Uh, Hi, I'm Dr. Olga Oliver, and today I want to show you how to give a bath to a dog that doesn't like to be bathed. This is Caesar, a Siberian Husky. This is a breed that doesn't like restrain, so when we give him a bath, we're going to try to get his attention to something else, and we will not use restrain, we will use minimum holding. First of all, it's a good idea to get your dog tired before the bath. Plan an activity like taking for a long walk and play ball so they run and get tired. This way, your dog will have less energy to fight the bath. Get everything you're going to need for the bath ready ahead of time. Use always a shampoo specific for dogs. It has the proper pH to keep your dog's skin healthy. Have enough special treats cut in small pieces, 1 or 2 towels to dry their coat, 1 small towel to clean their face, and cotton to put in their ears to prevent the water to get in. In this case, we're not going to use the cotton in the ears. As you can see on the video, Caesar will not let us place them in his ears. On a situation like this, it's better not to force the dog or we will make the rest of the bath more difficult. I will suggest to do the bath outside with a hose. Avoid the bathtub. It's very slippery, makes them insecure and unstable, and is very difficult to hold them steady. If your dog doesn't like bath time, you will need someone to help you. It is not a matter of restraining. Oftentimes, restraining is the worst thing you can do. Some of these dogs hate to be restrained. We start creating a playtime with the water and the hose. As we play, we get his coat wet. Caesar loves to play with the hose. I keep giving him treats to create more confidence. Avoid getting water in their eyes and ears and leave the head for last. Next, while my helper is holding the leash, I will soap him up. I will use sweet talk. I cannot restrain him or he will get scared and won't let me do it. Some dogs get nervous just by seeing the soap bottle. If this is your case, get the soap in your hands and leave the bottle at a distance. Next, I will rinse him off, leaving the head for last. As you can see on the video, we're just holding him with a leash. While one of us is using the hose, the other one is removing the shampoo with a massage. Be careful, make sure they don't get soap or water in their ears or eyes. Continue with drying him with a towel. Caesar loves to play with the towel and likes when I give him a massage, so this is how I do it. Because Caesar won't let us wash his face during the bath, we will leave this for last. We will get a small towel moistened with water and we will clean his face as you can see on the video.